everyone, welcome to another video. If you are seeing vertical lines on your display, don't worry, this seems to be a software glitch. Here's how to temporarily fix it. Go to the settings, then tap on display and brightness option. From there, find always on display and turn it off. Here you can see the option. You simply off the option from there. Then this isn't a perfect solution, but it should stop the lines from appearing until Apple releases an official fix. To check for a software update, you can simply go to the settings of your phone, tap the general option from there, and you can see the software update option from there and tap it. Keep checking for updates. Right now on iOS 3.2 something seems to be fixed. If it not, just keep checking for new updates. Once the issue is resolved, you can go back and turn always on display back on. Hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.